You can have a beautifully decorated home on a Dollar Tree budget, and I'm going to show you the secret to choosing only the best items. Thanks to today's sponsor, Louisa Jewelry. Let's run to Dollar Tree to see what they've just put out for holiday decorating. I've seen lots of chargers at Dollar Tree. I've never seen anything like these acrylic chargers with the gold edge. When many of us think of the holidays, we think of bright, bold colors. But if you live in a small space like we do, having bright, bold colors everywhere makes your space seem even smaller. Light colors and neutral colors like the ones I'm showing you to decorate for the holidays can give your space an upscale high-end decor look, and they can be used all year around. I created this two-tier centerpiece by gluing 4 travel containers to the bottom of one of those lucite plates and then gluing a clear plastic carafe to hold them together. Keep your eye out in the party section for these gold and silver marbleized napkins. These are beautiful for a neutral table, any party, any time of the year. I picked up these sweater print mugs last year at Dollar Tree, and they have held up all year long. They do come in bold colors, but I am loving these neutrals. I'm Shannon, and this is Skip to My Life, where I teach you how to live an upscale lifestyle on a downsized budget. If you like free jewelry, you want to keep listening. One of the reasons I love shopping at Dollar Tree and Walmart is so I have more money to spend on my gift list. Today's sponsor, Louisa, has given me this beautiful pearl bracelet that I'm going to give to one of you. All you need to do is comment below. This dainty, on-trend bracelet has 5 freshwater pearls with brass dipped in 14-karat gold. And I know that many of you have difficulty putting clasps together like I do. I love wearing Louisa jewelry because their lobster claw clasps are easy to put on and take off. This is a perfect time to start looking for gifts, and my daughter and daughter-in-law chose these 2 necklaces. Now, the trend these days is dainty and simple, but these pieces are so beautiful. You could wear them to dress up or for every single day. No worries if you're on a budget. By clicking on my link in the description box, you can save 20%, and these pieces start at just $39. Louisa Jewelry has received 25,000 5-star reviews like this one. Not only does Louisa offer free shipping and exchanges, but they stand behind their products with a 2-year guarantee. Click on my link in the description box for 20% off, and don't forget to comment below for your chance to win the pearl bracelet. We recently traded in our rectangular dining table for a round one I found at a thrift store. I'm going to show you a little trick to take any tablecloth and make it look like it was custom made for your table. This is a rectangular cover that I loved because it was a neutral design, and I cut it to the size I wanted to fit that round table. Then I measured from one end to the other and drew a little line between those 2 ends. Once I had cut those to fit, it now looks like it was custom made for my new round table. For our small kitchenette space, this round table is going to fit so many more people comfortably. One of the best ways you can use small space is by creating a hot chocolate and coffee bar on wheels. I'll leave a link to the one I'm using here, but all these containers that you can see through are from Dollar Tree. No worries if you don't have room for a cart or don't have it in your budget. Simply get a large glass container. This is one I purchased from Walmart, and I'll leave a link to that below. And you're either going to take sticker letters, or I use my Cricut machine to put hot chocolate bar on the front. You can also use your favorite adorable Christmas vinyl clings for this project, and they will look great also. Dollar Tree sells vinyl cutting mats, 2 for $1.25, and we're going to take 2 of those and measure the inside of this jar by the length from top to bottom. Now, every container is a little bit different measurement, but I believe this one was about 8.5 inches by 9 inches. I used my straight edge to cut down the center, and then I made sure that they fit correctly as the dividers that we're making. Since we'll be making 4 sections in our hot cocoa bar, cut both of those vinyl sheets halfway up and push them together. If you're not sure exactly what I'm doing, keep watching and I promise it will make sense. I found these wonderful contents at my local Dollar Tree, the hot chocolate mix and the giant marshmallows. I got peppermint slices as well as Little Debbie Christmas tree cakes at Walmart. I probably should have put on a set of gloves for this next part because I know that it's going to be a group activity, but now is the fun part. You can go ahead and fill all of these sides slowly and just make sure that those dividers come out even. This project is not only so super easy, but it's going to be a conversation point for you, and it takes up so little space in your home. If you've gotten a good idea, let me know by clicking that thumbs up button. If you've put off entertaining for the holidays because you just don't feel like you have a big enough space, a hot cocoa night with Christmas movies or making ornaments is a perfect party. I'm gluten-free, so I can't eat these adorable cakes, but I buy them every year as gifts for people who can, and they're one of those things that I regret that I can't eat. But fill this jar with anything you like. When we downsized from a 6-bedroom home to a 3-bedroom rental, one of the things I realized was that all my holiday decor just wasn't going to look right in a smaller space. So I've come up with a little trick and I want to share it with you, and that is just to choose 3 spaces in your home that you really want to decorate for the holidays and do it the way you like it. Don't waste money by putting little trinkets here and there. Really concentrate on just 3 spaces to get the biggest bang for your buck. Dollar Tree carries wreaths and garland, but to be honest with you, I've never loved the quality. So we're going to Walmart, and for under $20, we're going to get a flocked wreath and some beautiful wide velvet ribbon. I'll link to my very favorite suction hook. Guys, this one really works. It does not fall off once it dries out. But next, we're going to want to fluff up that wreath and then just attach our simple bow, and that's all there is to it. Simple decor looks so much more elegant, and there's no need to spend a lot or have a cluttered look. Your home should be peaceful and calm for the holidays. The second area I'm choosing to decorate is my fireplace mantle, and I grabbed this 9-foot flocked garland as well as a $5 light kit from Dollar Tree, along with 3 packs of snowflakes, the same pattern in 3 different sizes. If you've been with me at Skip to My Life for a while, you may remember that I made this fireplace out of cardboard boxes. I'm trying to get one more year out of it before I go all out and purchase a really nice one. But it has definitely served its purpose, and you will see that it is caving in. It's seen a little bit better days, but it's done its job. When you put garland on a mantle, you want to make sure that you secure it because it's not wood. I'm just using packing tape to tape one of those sprigs at intervals, but you could use command strips or anything else that you have. And now it's time to add these fun $5 lights from Dollar Tree. I love these because they're battery operated with 3 AA batteries. The batteries are not hard to install, and after 6 hours, they shut off and come on again the next day at the same time. These lights have several different settings, and you can choose a setting that responds to sound. So if you play Christmas music, these lights will twinkle and shine in beat to your Christmas music. The finishing touch is adding some snowflakes at different intervals. I have never seen these before, and I just love the simplicity and elegance of the design. If you only take one idea from this episode, try this one. Go to YouTube and look up framed Christmas art. It will display a beautiful piece of art on your television set. You don't have to buy it, and you don't have to store it. Now, I know that not everyone loves flocked Christmas decorations. I happen to. It is a little bit messy, but to me, it is worth the cleanup. The third area we're going to decorate is my kitchen with this really simple sign that brings the meaning of the season. And all I'm going to do is set it on a ledge in my kitchen. Now, the next opinion I'm going to give you is a little bit controversial, so you can comment and tell me what you think, but you do not have to buy a Christmas tree. If you don't have kids at your house and you've downsized, you don't have to worry about setting that up and taking it down. But if you do want a method for storing your Christmas decorations, I recommend these extra large bags from the Dollar Tree. They're really sturdy. They alleviate a lot of the takedown mess. They zip up at the top, and they have a handle so you can hang these wherever you store your decorations and see them to take them down easily. Every year I see adorable food containers with little Christmas themed pictures on them. But to be honest, most of us probably have enough food storage to last us a lifetime. So take a few minutes before the holidays are here and go through your cupboards and make sure that you have lids for all those containers and that you really like what you have. This is going to save you a lot of money repurchasing multiples. A friend of mine has recently remodeled her kitchen and she just couldn't figure out how to store her Tupperware and other types of storage containers. I was happy to help, and as always, I started by taking absolutely everything out of the cupboard. Next step was probably the hardest. I matched all the lids with containers, and if we couldn't find a container that matched a lid or a whole system maybe that didn't have matching pieces, I put it to the side. I'm guessing that if you do this process, you're going to find out that you have many more storage containers than you thought you possibly could have. To organize this project, I'm using a short, oblong plastic wicker look basket from the Dollar Tree Plus section. These are $3 a piece, and I think they're worth every penny. To make the very most of the space, I stored similarly shaped containers in the same box with their lids. And this way, if she needs a square container, she can pull out one box. If she needs a round container, those are stored in other boxes. But the point is that all the lids and all the containers live right next door to each other. I saved all the mismatched pieces and things that I couldn't find mates to for her, and she told me that a lot of these were things she hadn't used in ages or she'd gotten rid of pieces of that system. Not only did we create a filing type system for her storage containers, but we made so much more space for her common items that she uses for cooking and baking, and she can easily tell where they go and where to get them. If you're looking for a gift that looks like you paid so much more for stocking stuffers or something last minute, pick up a couple of these pouches and some of these stickers in the Dollar Tree Crafts section. Many of you know that my husband and I were blessed with a granddaughter and a grandson this year, so I'm making these little bags to put in my daughter and daughter-in-law's stockings so that they can hold all the things they want to keep clean, like pacifiers and spoons. This could not be simpler. We're just using that E6000 on the back of the letters and gluing it to the pouch, leaving it overnight, and it's good to go the next day. Dollar Tree Craft section has many more words that you could put on these tiny bags. Thanks to Louisa for sponsoring today's video, and don't forget to click the link below in my description box for 20% off. If you enjoyed today's video, you're going to really love this one next for more holiday fun. This is Shannon from Skip to My Life, and just remember, my friends, today is not the end of your story. No matter what you're going through, don't give up.